Experts expect 50 million new tech job openings by 2030. The best tech job in 2024 is business analysis. Finding a job where you can work from home, earn a good salary, where you can earn up to £65,000 in your first role, and is secure in the future from AI is tough. That's why so many people are choosing to train in business analysis. No degree or prior experience is required. Transform Learning Academy provides UK accredited certifications, has a Google review rating of over 4.8 and has placed over 300 students in working roles over the last year. Business analysis are required all over the world. Working in different countries for a variety of industries makes this an exciting career with endless possibilities. Transform Learning Academy is ready to help from choosing your courses to placing you on real-time projects to gain experience and helping you with your resume and finding your first role. We're here to help you through this exciting journey. Your courses can be started online from anywhere in the world today. And there are custom finance options to help keep training within budget. So, what are you waiting for? Let us help you. Click the link below to learn more and change your life today.